Hello friends, welcome to the Learn Salesforce CPQ. This is going to be a upgrade to the existing video where I have already shown like how you can display images to the products when you are interacting with the Kotlin editor. So let's go to the product and so for time being I have added images to the only selected products. So let's first understand the field where you need to set the document ID. So if you have seen my old video where I have explained like how you can set up the image on product record, where we need to create a text field for saving the link of that particular image. But now CPQ have introduced new field called product image ID, where you need to set the document ID, and along with that you need to set up the another formula field to display the image. So let's go to the object and I will show you that fields. So here is the image field. So this is going to be the formula field where it will convert into the image along with the link to that particular document ID. So nothing more changed except CPQ now have started providing their own field to set the document ID, and uh, and though like the existing functionality is also working in the similar way. It's just the fact that earlier we used to create a separate field to store the link of that image, and now we are adding document ID to the CPQ's field called product image. Yeah, I mean the product picture ID field. So once you set up these two field, then you need to upload documents and then get their IDs and update back to the respective product record. And once you upload images, then your next job will be to update the field set on Kotlin object. So as you know that line editor is the field set. So you can directly refer the product field on Kotlin field set. Click on save. Let's go back to the code and see how this will work. You can also display that image on product selection. But for time being, let me add those 4 products where I have added the images. So let me select all those, and here how it is, your images are being displayed on the Kotlin editor. If you want to get those image on product selection, that also you can do. So simply you need to go to the product object settings and then go to the field set and update the uh, product search field set. So let me go back here and go to the object manager. Go to the field set, and here is the search result. So this is the field set where you need to add the same field. So let me quick save this, and if I click on add products, so here also you can see those images, I mean on the product selection page. Now let's see how to display the same images inside the code template document, and for now I have configured very basic code template. It will hardly display the code lines. So now let's go and click on preview document. So this is how you can display the images for your available code lines on the same code. So right now this document doesn't have any header or footer, hardly it will display the code lines. One challenge which I faced during this configuration is that the formula which is given by the Salesforce on their help side, it didn't work properly. I mean, let me go back to the support site where you can see this is the formula that I have referred earlier to display images on Kotlin editor. But when I try to refer the same formula, the same formula field on the code template section. So let me go back to the code template. So this is my template record, and here on section. So this is my code template record where you can see inside line column, the second field I have referred as a image field basically. So I made slight change into the formula because the formula given here, it worked for Kotlin editor, but it did not work for the the document template. So before like this URL, I have added the code to get the base URL for the org. So let's see the formula again. So here is the formula, and I have added this particular text to get the base URL. So after adding this thing here, it did work and I was able to see those images on the code document template.